Dear students, today we will learn to write a balanced chemical equation. Here you can see we are going to write the chemical equation. It consists of three steps. First step is to write the word equation. Second step is to write the equation using chemical formula. That is a chemical equation. And third step is to balance the chemical equation. So let us take the example of water. Water breaks up to give its constituent elements hydrogen and oxygen. So what equation is? Water gives out, water breaks to give you hydrogen and oxygen. Now if you want to write it in chemical equation using symbol and formula, you know water. What is water? What is the symbol? This chemical formula, water is H2O. Breaks up to give you hydrogen, that is H2, plus oxygen, that is O2. Hydrogen and oxygen. So this is your chemical equation. Now if we want to balance it, then we have to check whether number of atoms in the left hand side and number of atoms in the right hand side are equal or not. Balancing means it should be equal on both sides. So left hand side, if you check, it is what? H2O, and right hand side is H2 plus O2. See here, how many hydrogen are there? 2. And how many hydrogen are here? 2. But oxygen is 1 here and there are 2. So oxygen is not balanced. So what you will do? You will multiply here by 2, because we cannot write any number or multiply by any number from the back side. We have to multiply the whole molecule. Okay. From back side, if I can't write for any particular atom here, I have to multiply the whole molecule with 2 or any number whatever is needed. So now I have multiplied this by 2, so I got 2 oxygen. In 2 water molecule, 2 oxygen are there, and here also 2 oxygen. So my oxygen atoms are balanced in left hand side and right hand side. Oxygen is balanced. Now what about hydrogen? Hydrogen is 2 here, and there are 2 into 2, that is 4. So hydrogen is 4 here and here it is 2. So to balance it, you have to multiply this also by 2. Then this side, that is in the right hand side, you will have 2 hydrogen, that is 2 into 2, that is 4 hydrogen atoms. In left hand side also 4 hydrogen atoms. So hydrogen is balanced in left hand side and right hand side. Oxygen is 2 here, there also it is 2. So oxygen is also balanced. Let us take the example of another chemical equation, that is sodium and chlorine gives you sodium chloride. Gives you sodium chloride. So how do you write this? This is your first word equation is already written. This is your step 1. Step 2, you will write sodium in symbol Na plus chlorine Cl2. Chlorine is Cl2 will give you sodium chloride NaCl. NaCl. Okay. So now step 3 is to balance it. How will you balance? You just count how many sodium are there. In left hand side there are only 1, and in right hand side also 1. So sodium is balanced. Now what about chlorine? There are 2 chlorine atoms in left hand side and 1 chlorine on the other side, that is the right hand side. So you have to multiply by 2. So now you will get 2 chlorine atoms in the right hand side and 2 chlorine atoms on the left hand side. So chlorine is balanced. Left hand side, right hand side balanced. What about sodium? Is it balanced? Left hand side is 1, right hand side is 2. It is not balanced. So we'll have to multiply with what? 2. So now sodium is 2 in the left hand side and right hand side also 2. So sodium is also balanced. So this is a balanced chemical equation.